What's up, guys? It's spooky month. It's October. And as you can see behind me, Halloween has invaded the set. And Halloween is invading all of the videos this month. Today, I prove to you why we don't have to fear the Reaper by taking on the world's hottest pepper, the Carolina Reaper. I'm very nervous, to be honest with you. How hot is this pepper? Okay, we use Scoville to rank how hot peppers are. This is 1.5 million to 2.2 million Scoville units. And what is a Scoville unit? Give me something to rank that with. Oh, guess what? I got something for that. These are jalapeno peppers. You know what they are. You know how they taste. 3,000 to 8,000 Scoville units. 1.5 to 2.2 million. This is a mistake I'm about to do. It's 500 times hotter. I don't even like jalapenos, okay? I think these are a little too hot, a little too spicy. It's not a good thing for me. This is 500 times hotter. It's gonna be a rough day, okay? I got accoutrements to help. It's still gonna suck. Where did this come from? The famed pepper chemist, Smokin Ed Currie, invented this pepper. What he does is he takes hot peppers and then he crossbreeds them to make even hotter abominations of spice. I'm terrified. This is not gonna be a fun time for me. This isn't gonna help, okay? That's too spicy. This is 500 times worse. Without further ado, I guess let's just eat this pepper. I'm gonna be honest, I'm terrified. I'm nervous. My heart is beating out of my chest. I'm literally scared. It's been like 30 minutes since I recorded that first section because I'm so terrified. I walked around, I thought, what is my life coming to? And then I realized, just do it. How bad can it be, right? Right? Famous last words. I'm scared. I'm so, okay, here we go. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. Oh, there's like seeds in there. Oh, it's like a. Oh, that's not what I expected. Oh my God, it's so hot. Oh my God, it's so hot. Okay, it's just building. It's just building. Oh my God. Oh! That does nothing. That does nothing. Ah! Oh my God, it's so much harder. I thought it'd be. I'm gonna puke. Oh. I think I'm gonna puke. We're good. Why does that exist, dude? It's literally the worst moment of my life. You think it's garlic? Straight back. Oh my God, we're falling apart here. Oh my God, we're falling apart. Oh, it's so melted. Oh, it's such relief. Oh, it's back. It's back. Oh my God, it's so bad. It's not going away. It's so bad. It's so bad. We're just gonna kill this. We're just gonna kill this. I regret every decision I made that got me here. I don't look at it. This is not a good time. Oh my God. Oh. Guys, I just want you to. I don't think it gets any worse than that. I thought I was okay. Guys, 30 seconds ago, I thought, no, I'm good. I'm good. It's not gonna get any worse. End the video is what I thought. I thought it's over. But now the top of my mouth's burning, and it wasn't burning before. How does that even happen? Oh, jeez. Excuse me? Oh, my God. Glasses are going back on because I can't see anything. Oh, don't touch my eyes. Okay, so... I know some young people might be watching this. And I thought at one point in my life I might have been a role model. You might have respected me and my decisions. And maybe like want to follow in my life, but don't follow this. I want to eat a jalapeno to make it better, maybe. It's like when your leg hurts and you kick him in the foot. Should I try it? Oh, that's a bad idea. It just burns. Oh, this might be it, honestly. This might be the death of me. Oh, my mouth is still in death, and now my stomach hurts. And, this is not a great time. I tried to prove to you guys today that we didn't have to fear the Reaper. That was kind of a pun, obviously, because it's just a pepper. But it's not just a pepper, guys. It's death, okay? I think, oh, gee. It's like a roller coaster. I think there's reason to fear the Reaper. You guys have a great day.